Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're going to be taking a look at a property which is located on the Drove in Chestfield. Now, the Drove, if you don't know it, is an absolutely wonderful location and a very, very popular location. It's directly overlooking Chestfield Golf Course, and the properties down here are very rarely available. Now, this property in particular is very, very large. You've got 5 bedrooms with this property, and it is detached as well. Now, as we go through, we're going to give you a really good sense of what exactly is on offer with this property. And here we are in the conservatory. Now, you can see the full extent of how large that garden is from the view from the conservatory. Through now into the kitchen, which is finished really nicely. You've got nice modern units in here and really nice worktops, as well as all fitted appliances here as well. You can see, of course, you've got the utility room with this property as well, which is absolutely brilliant. And again, you come through and have a really nice look at the dining space that you have here as well. Now, you'll see you've got those French doors leading outside again, which just helps to bring the outside inside with this property. You've got this really nice little sitting area here. And again, you can see the full extent of those views over there across to Chestfield Golf Course, which are absolutely beautiful. Of course, you've got this reception space on the ground level as well. They're currently using it at the moment as a study, which is a brilliant use for the space, but you could use it for anything that you'd want it to be. Because you've got this downstairs shower room, you could use that study as a downstairs bedroom if you wanted it to be. It's completely up to you. Now that we've made our way upstairs, we can give you a really good idea of just how much bedroom space you get with this property. You've got 5 bedrooms here. Of course, you've got the master bedroom with the ensuite as well, and with plenty of fitted wardrobes there too. Now, with each of these bedrooms, you're going to see there's plenty of space for double beds, and there's plenty of space for more bedroom furniture as well. And with these bedrooms at the back, you get that really nice view over the rear garden there, which is just absolutely wonderful. Now, it's also bearing in mind on this first level of the property, you've got that ensuite master bedroom, but you also have the family bathroom and separate toilet as well. So there's a really nice practical sense to the layout up here too. Now, whilst we take a look at the last few bedrooms on this first floor, I want to take a few moments to go through some finer details on the property. Of course, you've got that huge frontage, which provides you with plenty of parking and those amazing views over Chestfield Golf Course. But the rear garden here is also equally large and works out at about 105 foot, which is absolutely fantastic. You've got the garage here as well. Now, of course, if you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to call.